kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Leo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you. For Leo. Merong apple. Temptation will test you. Okay. Anong temptation kaya yan? Anong challenge? Okay. Yoke. Feeling tied down or frustrated. For some of you, you feel na wala kang magagawa sa isang sitwasyon. You feel disappointed, frustrated, okay? Okay. This is a challenge for you. Tinitest ka whether to give up or not. Ladder, climbing towards success. Okay, keep moving forward, Leo. Okay, you are climbing towards success. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Okay. Hat, you will be placing a different role. Okay. Merong unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Okay. Listen to your intuition, Leo. Consider carefully what you want before you act. Okay. For some of you, you will be playing a different role. Maybe there is a change of job or change of position. Okay, merong offer sa inyo. Maybe there is a promotion as well, or you may be transferring from one department to another. Happiness. Okay, this will give you joy, blissfulness, happiness. Okay, merong contentment and emotional satisfaction or happiness kang matatanggap or may itudulot ito sa inyo ng happiness, yung situation nyo. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Leo, please. Okay. Messages and energies. Ano yung mga gabay? Ano mga paparating for Leo, please? Leo. Merong happiness nag-aantay sa inyo, Leo. Leo. Yeah. Consider carefully before you act. Okay? May mga biglaang sitwasyon na darating sa inyo, Leo. Okay? Before you do something, pag-isipan ng mabuti. Okay? Huwag padalos-dalos sa inyong mga desisyon, sa inyong mga actions. Okay? A happy home life. Achievements. Okay. Merong joy, contentment, or happiness in your home life. Okay. Yeah. There is a desire to move forward to something meaningful, okay? Yeah. Okay. Good news is on the way. Okay. Victory. You will be victorious sa inyong mga gagawin, Leo. Okay? You are being recognized because of your good work. Napapansin ka na mga tao, people are celebrating you. Okay? But not all. Yeah. You are overwhelmed. Okay? May mga blessings na paparating sa inyo, Leo. Okay? Yes, you will feel very happy. Some of you are very creative, okay? And successful kayo sa ganyang linya. Yeah. You will be recognized publicly, okay? For some of you, you are doing well in your job. Namamayagpag kayo sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong trabaho. You feel happy, you are satisfied. Then, there is something in you na kailangan mong gawin, okay? Something meaningful para sa inyo. Yeah. Yeah. Merong happiness and contentment when it comes to material wealth, okay? Financial security is there, Leo. Yes, you're on the right path, okay? You are spiritually guided for this, okay? Happy times for you. Okay, you have a guiding star. This is where you are meant to be. Kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo, Leo, that will bring joy and happiness sa inyo. Not only for yourself, but also for your family, okay? Sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo, you feel victorious. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You have to take care of yourself as well. Okay? You've been working very hard. Siguro busy kayo masyado sa inyong ginagawa at nakakalimutan nyo na yung sarili. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you have to connect with your mother. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, very intuitive. You are good in doing, you are good sa inyong mga ginagawa. You are good in what you're doing. Sa inyong craft. Yeah. Yes. King and Queen of Cups. Emotional stability. Someone needs your attention. Someone needs you need to be kind to someone, okay? They are longing for your attention. Leo. Yeah, merong someone na feel na hindi mo na siya pinapansin, okay? You are too caught up sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong craft, sa inyong trabaho, okay? He or she feels neglected by you. He or she needs your attention, okay? Be compassionate with someone. Yeah. Okay. Listen to your intuition. For some of you, very heightened ang inyong intuition, Leo. Okay. You have to consider also carefully what you want before acting, okay? Bago kayo gumawa ng isang aksyon, pag-isipan ng mabuti, okay? There is secret, okay? May mga information. May mga information that soon will be revealed. For some of you, you have psychic abilities, okay? Nakakaramdam kayo. You are a tarot reader. For some of you, someone needs your advice. Someone is coming towards you to ask for your advice, okay? Just take what resonates for you, Leo. These are the energies for you. Okay. Be a leader. Mag-focus ka sa inyong goal. Focus. Communicate your vision. Okay? Anong gusto ninyong mangyari? Focus ka sa inyong goal. Okay? Sa mga plans nyo. Anong gusto ninyong ma-achieve? Okay. Leo, there is someone that you love, that you care about. It's a secret, okay? Yeah. That is for some of you. This is something hidden, okay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, ang dami ninyong obligasyon. Okay, stress-related health, may problema kayo dyan. Parang overwork kayo. Ang dami ninyong ginagawa and at the same time, marami rin kayong obligasyon. But be patient, okay? Balance your emotions. Okay? Balance your emotion and your mind, Leo. For some of you, you have to be patient. Okay? Kung meron kayong inaantay na pagbabago sa inyong sitwasyon, just wait for the right timing. Be patient. Pahabain pa ang pasensya ninyo. Okay? Okay, King of Pentacles. Yeah. For some of you, you are a consultant, okay, or you hold an important position in your organization or in your company, okay. Yeah. You are bringing wealth to your company, okay. You are very productive. Yeah. For some of you, you have commitment issues at the same time. Yeah. Kung merong mga opportunities na ino-offer sa inyo, confidently accept it, okay? You will be successful in that offer. Okay? You have the Midas touch. Para bang lahat ng ginagawa ninyo or gagawin nagiging successful. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, there is expansion. Yeah. Expansion sa company or sa business. Okay. May mga tao na willing tumulong sa inyo, na susuportahan ka. Just do what you think is right. Okay. You've been working very hard to achieve this position. Okay, Leo. For some of you, you will be working in a financial institution and you will be successful in that area. Okay. Focus on your dreams, on your goals, communicate your vision at the same time. Okay? Believe in yourself. You're almost there. Okay? Don't give up. Yes. Okay? So, balance and moderation lang sa inyong ginagawa, Leo. Okay? Yeah. You need to take care of yourself. Use your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Okay? Someone needs your advice or your attention. For some of you, you care for someone okay, it's something to be revealed or this is something hidden. You love someone. Okay? Yeah. You care for that person, but you're not expressing it. Okay? Yeah. Someone who is intuitive also. So before you act, Leo, consider carefully kung ano talaga yung gusto ninyo bago ka gumawa ng aksyon. Okay? Yeah. So you are a powerful person. Okay? You are ready. You are manifesting something good. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are thinking about someone or nag-overthink ka. Okay. May iniisip ka, Leo. Yeah, about work, meeting up with someone. Okay. Yeah, come what may. Yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the spirit for Leo. For Leo, please, Leo. Oh. Merong trust yourself more. Know that you are in the right place at the right time. Opportunities will present themselves to you when they are meant to, all in divine timing. Get excited about the future again instead of fearing it. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message from the angel number for Leo. Leo, please, Leo. For Leo. Leo. Number 44. If you keep seeing the number 44, this is the message for you. Your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with diligence and determination, and even greater success will come in the future. I am supported. Yes, you are supported, Leo. So keep doing what you're doing, okay? With diligence and determination. Okay, so don't give up. Yeah, everything will be okay. Be patient as well. So these are the messages for you, Leo. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.